Accounting group and subgroup creation 1. Create following accounting groups in TallyPrime: income and expenses. Group names are selling and marketing expenses, communication expenses, business revenue, non-business revenue, CSR activities, material expenses, factory overheads. Let us see how to create an accounting group in TallyPrime. To create accounting group in TallyPrime, we have to navigate Create option under Master menu from Gateway of Tally. Select Group option from Accounting Master. Enter group name as Selling and Marketing Expenses. Alias name is a short name that we can define in TallyPrime. For now, let's skip that. Selling and Marketing Expenses group is a subgroup of indirect expenses. Here, we will select indirect expenses. As soon as we select this option, statutory and GST details will appear. For now, skip statutory details and create master. Group behave like a subledger as No. Net debit credit balances for reporting as No. Use for calculation, for example, taxes discounts for sales invoices, said No. Method to allocate when used in purchase invoice as not applicable. Statutory details like HSN and SAC related details, GST rate and related details. Skip these for now and accept master. Next, communication expenses. Subgroup of indirect expenses. Other information will remain as it is. Enter and accept. Next, business revenue. Subgroup of sales account. Enter. Other information will remain as it is. Enter and accept. Non-business revenue. Subgroup of indirect income. Enter and accept. CSR activity. Group under expenses. Does it affect gross profit? No. Enter and accept. Material expenses. Subgroup of direct expenses. Enter and accept. Factory overhead. As a primary group. Nature of group as expenses. Does it affect gross profit? Yes. Enter and accept. Group and subgroup creation 2. Create following accounting groups in Tally Prime: liabilities and assets. Group names are TDS liabilities, GST liabilities, corporate customers, material supplier, employee statutory due, tangible fixed assets, other business assets. Accounting group as TDS liabilities, group under duties and taxes, other information, not applicable, enter and accept. Similarly, GST liabilities, subgroup under duties and taxes, accept, corporate customers, subgroup under sundry debtors, enter and accept. Material supplier, subgroup under sundry creditors, enter and accept. Employee statutory due, subgroup under current liabilities, and accept. Tangible fixed assets, subgroup under fixed assets, enter and accept. Next, other business assets, under primary group, enter nature of group as assets, enter and accept. So this way, we have created accounting groups related to income, expenses, liabilities, and assets. We can view all the accounting groups created in Tally Prime under Chart of Accounts. From Gateway of Tally, go to Chart of Accounts, Accounting Master, select Groups. Total 42 groups are available. Groups created as CSR activities, corporate customers under sundry debtors, GST liabilities under duties and taxes, TDS liabilities under duties and taxes, and so on. So this way, we can create accounting groups in Tally Prime.